Santa Ana Park. Anytime now, race number 4. Away they go. Sa totoo lang, from the outside, moving up by the rally Spears and Fiery. Luna Rosa alongside his Mama Don Prince Evox and La Unlaan is bring up the rear. Fierce and Fiery by about 2 lengths, followed by Sa totoo lang. And running in third by about 5 lengths, Evox Luna Rosa as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Fierce and Fiery by about 2 lengths. Sa totoo lang, running in second, E-Box, and moving up is La Unlaan. Mama Don't Fret second last, while Luna Rosa is now running at the tail of the field inside the last 900. Fierce and Fiery by a length and a half. Sa totoo lang is running in second and racing by the third, E-Box, La Unlaan, Mama Don't Fret, Luna Rosa. And rounding the far turn, Fierce and Fiery by a length and a half. Sa totoo lang in second. E-Box running in third by about 2 lengths as they race the last 500. Fierce and Fiery by a length and a half. And on the outside is Sa totoo lang, E-Box, Mama Don't Reach as they race the final corner. Fierce and Fiery by about 3 lengths now. Sa totoo lang, running in second, E-Box. Last 150. Fierce and Fiery in full throttle this time by about 8 lengths. And nearing the finish line, the horse of Mr. Nardinaval, number 1, Fierce and Fiery. Second, E-Box. Sa totoo lang, Mama Don't Preach, Luna Rosa, La Unlaan comes last.